بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
عما يتساءلون
What are they asking each other?
عن النبأ العظيم
They are asking about the great news,
الذي هم فيه مختلفون
regarding which they have different views.
كلا سيعلمون
Yes, certainly. Soon they will come to know.
ثم كلا سيعلمون
Then yes, certainly, they will come to know.
ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا
Did we not make the earth a bed,
والجبال أوتادا
and the mountains as pegs to anchor the earth?
وخلقناكم أزواجا
And we have created you in pairs,
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا
and we made your sleep a means of rest,
وجعلنا الليل لباسا
and we made the night a covering,
وجعلنا النهار معاشا
and we made the day for seeking livelihood,
وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا
and we built 7 strong structures, i.e., skies above you,
وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا
and therein we have kept an intensely bright lamp, i.e., the sun.
وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا
And we sent down heavy rain from the clouds,
لنخرج به حبا ونباتا
that we may produce grain and vegetation therewith,
وجنات ألفافا
and dense gardens.
إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا
Indeed, the day of decision has a fixed time,
يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا
the day when the trumpet will be blown. You will therefore come forth in troops upon troops.
وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا
And the sky will be opened, that it will become a sky with gates.
وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا
And the mountains will be driven, that they will become like shining sand, which gives the false impression of water from afar.
إن جهنم كانت مرصادا
Indeed, hell is lying in ambush for the disbelievers.
للطاغين مآبا
Hell is the destination of the rebellious.
لابثين فيها أحقابا
Therein they will remain for a never-ending period.
لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا
They will not taste anything cold therein, nor anything to drink,
إلا حميما وغساقا
except for boiling water and the burning pus discharged of the people of hell,
جزاء وفاقا
as an appropriate recompense for their misdeeds.
إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا
Indeed, they had no fear of reckoning,
وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا
and they belied our verses to the extreme.
وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا
And we have noted down everything, keeping it counted.
فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا
Now taste the punishment, that we shall not increase for you except the punishment.
إن للمتقين مفازا
Indeed, for those who fear Allah is a place of success,
حدائق وأعنابا
there are gardens and grapes,
وكواعب أترابا
and very attractive maidens of equal age,
وكأسا دهاقا
and an overflowing cup of pure wine.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا
In which they shall hear neither vulgar talk nor belying of each other.
جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا
A reward from your Lord, the most sufficient bestowal.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا
From the one who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is in between, the most gracious, with whom no one will have the power to talk.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا
The day when Jibreel and all the angels will stand in rows, no one will be able to speak except the one whom the most gracious permitted to speak and who had spoken rightly.
ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا
That is the true day. Now whoever wishes to may take the path towards his Lord.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا
We warn you of a punishment that has come near, a day on which man will see whatever his hands have sent ahead, and the disbelievers will say, Alas, had I somehow become dust.
صدق الله العظيم